After Effects and create a new comp, name it according you. Select this layer and make a duplicate of this. And rename it. And change this effect setting to horizontal. Ready to render, let's render it. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comment box. How was it?